Good morning, all of you. Here we are going to learn some problem related to the CMR. Today we are going to learn the new topic related to the CMR, and according to that we learn or we solve some problems. First, the substitution pattern from coupling constant. If there is a mono substituted benzene is there, that time like this manner, here the benzene, the mono substituent, that is X, is there. That time here the substituted carbon is called as a ipso carbon, and that ipso carbon always gives a weak value and they have a high chemical shift value. Okay, here near to that both of these two carbon are a strong carbon, they gives doublet, and the para position carbon is also gives the doublet and which is shows a moderate signal. Okay, next is if there is a para substituted with a different substituent are present, that time what happen, there are the two different substituent are attached to this benzene to the para position. That time here this ipso carbon is a weak carbon. Here the X substituted carbon and Y substituted carbon, both of these are a singlet carbon and they shows a weak value or weak signal, and here these two are ortho position of each X and Y substituent gives the doublet and they have a strong signal. The strong is denoted by star. Okay, and if there is a para, ortho and meta substituted, disubstituted with the same substituent is there, there are the three different ways of this substitution. First, the same substituent XS is attached to the para position. That time both of these give the singlet and having a weak position, and here near to that these are two carbon gives the doublet and both of these strong. If here like this manner this disubstituted with the same substituent which attached to this manner, that time plane of symmetry we can draw like this way. That time these two carbon shows a singlet and these are the weak, and near to that these both of these two shows a doublet and these are strong. Okay, and the third possibility is that here this disubstituted with same substituent attached like this manner. If we take a plane like this, that time here these two substituted carbon are a singlet carbon and these are the weak, and these two instead of that one carbon which is the doublet and having a strong value, and here this another carbon shows a doublet which is moderate. Okay, this is about what the substitution pattern from the coupling. According to that we are going to solve some problems. Okay, first here we take a simple problem, that is here we take a problem here C4H8O2. This is a very simple problem. They give the CMR data like this: 14.4 quartet, 20.2 quartet, 60.4 triplet and 170.7 singlet. Remember that you must have to mug up the CMR value. Okay, then only you can find out the structure of any molecule. Okay, before to start we must have to find out what sites of unsaturation. We learned before here how to calculate it, having the formula C plus 1 minus H divided by 2. Here how many carbon are there? 4 plus 1 minus 8 divided by 2, which is equal to what? 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. Sites of unsaturation is 1. Okay, here the value is 14.2. That means what? They give us a quartet, that means it must be CH3 carbon, Next is also 20.2, that is, this is also what CH3 carbon but having a different environment. Here next is that what C60.4, this is a triplet, that means this must be what CH2 carbon, but this CH2 carbon is attached to what the electronegative atom. Okay, and here 170, this is a singlet, there is a this carbon, but this is 170.7 value, this is of what the carbonyl carbon value. Okay, here so let's draw the structure. The lowest value is what CH3. Near to that, here there is a these two CH3 which having a different environment, that means they are not having the same or near to each other. That's why CH3 instead of near to that there is must be CH2. CH2 having a maximum value, that's why this is attached to electronegative atom like this manner. Then there is a what another is what carbonyl carbon is there, because there are the two oxygen is there, that means this is the 170 value, 170.7 is the value of what is carbonyl carbon of ester, that's why this is the ester. And near to that there is what CH3. Here there are 4 carbon, yes, 1 2 3 4, here we completed the 4 carbon. Here how many oxygen is there? 2. Here we complete the 2 oxygen. And how many hydrogen is there? 8. That means 3 into 5 6 7 8, 8 hydrogen also complete. That means this is a structure. Sites of unsaturation is what, that is carbonyl carbon has a 1 sites of unsaturation. That means this CH3 having a maximum value, that is 20.2, they gives a quartet. This carbon is a singlet carbon and this having a value 770.7. This carbon is a triplet and they gives the value 60.4. and this CH3 which is a quartet CH3 and they having a value 14.4. This is about the what the example of carbon 13. Let me take here the another example, that is, they gives us a molecular formula. Here this is a molecular formula. Okay, what is the molecular formula? C7H7Cl. They gives us some carbon 13 value, 46.2 triplet, 128.5 doublet, 128.7 doublet which is a strong, 128.8 doublet which is also strong, and 137.8 which is, gives a weak signal. Okay, that means what, this is our what substituted compound. Okay, so first of all find out sites of unsaturation. C plus 1 minus H, C plus 1 minus H plus 1 divided by 2. Why? Because here there is a halogen is there. If halogen is present, that time we must add the 1 in a chlorine and also 1 in a 1 in a carbon and also 1 in a hydrogen. Okay, that time here C plus 1, that is a 7 plus 1 minus 7 plus 1 divided by 2, 8 minus 8 divided by 2 which is equal to what, the 8 minus 4 which is equal to 4. Sites of unsaturation are 4. Okay, next here they gives us the value 46.2 triplet, that means what, this must be CH2 carbon is there. Here 128.5 doublet, that means CH is there, this is also doublet, this is CH, this is CH, and this is singlet, that means only C is there. Okay, then how to find out the structure of this compound? Here how many carbon is there? 7 carbon is there, but they gives us what, 1 2 3 4 and 5 carbon, that means there is a remaining carbons are in a symmetrical position. Okay, and here they gives us a sites of unsaturations are 4. If the sites of unsaturation is more than 2, that time always consider there must be what, benzene ring. Okay, that means we first of all draw the benzene ring over here. Okay, that means 3 double bond and 1 is of what, 1 is of ring. That means total sites of unsaturations are 4. Total sites of unsaturations are 4. Okay. Next, here they gives us a doublet, strong doublet. That means what? And here the carbonyl group. That means here there is a monosubstituted compound is there, and 6 carbon is attached to here. That means 1 carbon is remain over here. That means this 1 carbon is must be attached to this CH2. This CH2. That means what happened here? This CH2, there are the 6 carbon is bonded by this benzene. 1 carbon is remain, and they having a value what? CH2. Okay. That means here this is the CH2, and here the valence is completed by attacking of what? 1 electronegative atom, and they gives us what? Which electronegative atom? There is a chlorine. Okay. They both here, if the monosubstituted compound is there, that means this is a singlet carbon, and they having a maximum value, that is what? 137. Okay. Near to that they give the doublet. These are the strong doublet. Okay. They having a value 128.7, 128.8, like this. Okay. And this is the para position carbon. These are the what? The moderate, and they having, this also gives the doublet, but this is what? Moderate carbon. Okay. This is the structure of the, and here they gives us 1 2 3 4 5 value, but there are how many carbon is there? 7. That means this is a symmetrical carbon. Here if we put the symmetry, they gives how many type of the carbon? This is the AA type, sorry, this is A type, this is B type, this is C type, both of this C, this is D, and this is F. Okay. That means 5 types of signal it is given by this molecule. Okay. This is about the structure of, they gives us the molecular formula C5H12O4. Okay. They gives us the only 2 value. That means what happened here? There must be a symmetry to that of the molecules. Okay. So let's start to find out the structure of this molecule. Here first of all we are going to find out the molecular formula, sorry, sites of unsaturation. That is sites of unsaturation, which is equal to what? C plus 1 minus H divided by 2, which is equal to 5 plus 1 minus 12 divided by 2. That is 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0. That means there is a sites of unsaturation are 0. That is there is no any double bond is present. Okay. They gives us what? The value, that is 48.3 singlet. That means what? C carbon is there. Okay. And next value is what? 64.3 and triplet. That means this must be what? CH2. That means here there is a symmetry, and 1 carbon like this manner. Here this is the C, and there is a symmetry. That means the structure must be CH2, and how many oxygen are there? 4. That means this, and here the CH2 triplet having a maximum value. That means here this CH2, 4 CH2 are there, and they are symmetrically attached to a singlet carbon. Okay. And this CH2 which is attached to electronegative atom, that is OH, because there is no any what? Sites of unsaturation. That means this oxygen must be what? The OH type of the oxygen. The structure is the symmetry. If you draw the symmetry over here, like plane like this, and also like this, that time what happened? This carbon shows A type of signal, and all this CH2 carbon shows the B type of the signal. That means they gives only 2 types of the signals. Okay. This is the structure of what? This molecule. This is a symmetrical molecule. You know, if you do the practice, then only you can find out the structure of the molecule by the given data. Okay. Thank you very much. So one more problem. having molecular formula C9H11O2N, they gives us the DPT value of 135 and DPT 90. Okay, the first value is 119. This is positive in 135 and 90. 125.5, this is also positive in both of angle, that is DPT 135 and the 90. 55, this is a positive in DPT 135 and there is a no any value in a DPT 90. Okay, these are some values: 199, 133.3, 140.4. all these value does not seen in DPT 135 and also 190. And here 67.7, which gives DPT 135 negative, and there is no signal in a DPT 90. So let's start. First of all, find out the sites of unsaturation, which is equal to what? The C plus 1 minus what? H plus 1 divided by 2. Why? Because nitrogen is present. Here C is 9 plus 1 minus 11 plus 1 divided by minus 1. Here if nitrogen is present, that time we subtract from the hydrogen, and if halogen is present, that time we add the 1 in a hydrogen. Okay, so 9 plus 1 is 10 minus 10 divided by 2, which is equal to what? 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. Sites of unsaturation are 5. Yes, if sites of unsaturations are 5, that time what we consider? There must be what? The benzene ring. There must be the benzene ring. So draw the benzene ring first. Okay, like this one. So we learn the DPT value given over here. First is what? The 119 plus plus, that means what? This must be, and they give us a doublet, and this doublet is very strong. That means here there must be what? The CH value. Why? Because DPT shows only what? CH, and this DPT 135, which shows a positive value for what? CH and CH3, and this 90 DPT 90 shows only the positive value for CH. That's why here both are positive, that means this must be CH. Next is what? 125.5, both of these are positive, that means it must be what? CH value. Okay, here 55, they gives the quartet. Okay, that means here this is the value of what? CH3. Why? Because here they gives us DPT value 135 positive, but there is no signal in 190, that means this value must be what? Value of CH3. Here the 199, it is a very high value, and there is no signal in a 135 DPT and 90 DPT. That means this must be what? Quaternary carbon is there, because the quaternary carbon does not give any signal in DPT 135 and also DPT 90. And here there is a maximum value, that is 199 value is there, that means this is of value of carbonyl. Okay, or carbonyl of ester. Next 133.3, here this is also, there is a no signal in a DPT 135 and DPT 90, that means this is also what? Quaternary carbon. And 140.4, there is also no signal in DPT 135 and DPT 90, that means this is also what? Quaternary carbon. And next to that, here there is a value of 67.7, and this is negative value in DPT 135, that means this must be what? CH2 carbon. Okay, so here these two value are CH, that means here there is a CH and here there is a CH, and here there are how many heteroatom is there? Nitrogen and the oxygen. That means here there are the disubstituted compound. This is a benzene ring is there. Okay, here this is the CH and CH, they having a strong value, we can see over here. Yes, 125 and 199, they give the strong that's why this is a CH value, they use a doublet. Okay, near to that, here there are the disubstituted compound here, and this is the CH2 which having a negative value, they having a maximum value, that means the carbonyl group is attached to here, and near to that this oxygen is attached to CH3. Why? Because here the CH3 also having a maximum value. Okay, then remaining what? NH2 group is remain, which is attached to para position. Okay, that means here these are the doublet of doublet. This is CH2 attached to here, and this is here there is a NH2. Nitrogen is more electronegative, that's why it having maximum value, that is 125.5. here there is a value of 119. Okay, this CH3 which having 55 value, this CH2 which having a 67.7 value, and here this carbon which having 199 value. Here this NH2 which having a value 140, because this is more electronegative, that's why it having value 140, and here this is a less electronegative atom is attached to this carbon, that's why this having value 133. This is the structure of the carbon 13 molecule. Okay, thank you.